Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I really hope you all had a nice weekend. I am back again with a new video today. So I wanted to do something really warm and smoky just because I don't really have a reason, I just wanted to. So this is today's look. It's quite warm, it's quite smoky. I didn't want to do like a cut crease or anything just because I think they're getting a bit like repetitive. So yeah, this doesn't involve any kind of cutting of the crease or anything like that might pose an issue. Because I know not everyone wants to do like crazy like dramatic makeup, so this is something that's like super smoky and super dramatic but actually like quite easy, and something that like anyone could do at home really. It doesn't involve a lot of steps, but yeah, if you'd like to know how I did this look then please keep on watching, and if you enjoyed today's video please let me know down below what you thought. Give the video a like and please do subscribe as usual, and without further ado we will get straight into it. Okay, so the first shade we're going to take is from the Morphe 3502 palette, and the shade I'm going to take is the shade Ablaze, which is this orange shade here, and just start packing that through the crease. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. And then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and flip. And then I'm just going to take the yellow in the centre there, and I'm going to use this to blend out that orange shade. Just because there isn't a yellow in the Morphe palette, well obviously any yellow will do. You got to let it go. I'm then going to take the shade Fire, which is this red one here, and I'm just going to start deepening up the crease a little bit. I'm not going to take loads because I still want that orange shade to be visible. You got to let it go. So I'm going to go into the shade Chestnut here, and I'm just going to start packing that all over the crease, and then we're going to blend it afterwards, but first I am just going to pack it on. And then I don't want it to be too cut creasy, so I'm going to go back in with a blending brush and just blend it into that orange shade. And then I'm going to go into a mixture of these dark shades at the end here, and just use these to create like a, no, not a wing, like a line on the top of the lid, just where like our lash band will blend in. I don't want to go in with eyeliner because I want to keep this look quite smoky and yeah, like all blended, and rather have like, I don't really want to have like a sharp line, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I'm going to use some shades to create like a liner, I guess. I'm also just going to take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and run this on my waterline and my tight line. Is that what it's called at the top? I don't even know. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Chestnut and just pack this along that lower lash line. You got to let it go. And then I'm going to blend it out using the orange shade. I'm then going to go into this gold shade called Pure, and I'm going to use this to highlight my inner corner. And then I'm going to apply a few coats of the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and then I'm going to glue these Olivia Bell lashes in the style Kimmy onto my remaining eye. Okay, so they are the eyes done. I am going to go and do my face off camera to finish off this look, and I will be back in a few minutes to show you. Got to let it go. You got to let it go. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, again, please let me know down below what you thought about it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. I will not keep you any longer. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I will see you in a few days. Thanks everyone. Bye.